Ever wondered how 80,000 chicks get the best start in life? You're about to find out. Meet DP Agritech's multi-tier system, a game changer in poultry farming. With an impressive capacity of 80,000 chicks, this high-tech marvel streamlines the loading process, boosts productivity, and ensures premium care for each chick. Our cutting-edge technology means more efficient use of space, reduced waste, and happier, healthier chicks. But it's not just about numbers, it's about innovation meeting sustainability. By integrating advanced sensors, automated controls, and data-driven insights, we're transforming broiler production into a finely tuned, eco-friendly operation. At DP Agritech, we believe in a future where farming is smarter, greener, and more efficient. Join us in revolutionizing poultry farming, one chick at a time. For more information, visit www.dapagritech.com or contact us at janandridepagritech@gmail.com. #PoultryTech, #Agriculture Innovation, #Farm Efficiency, #DD Pagritech.